Fiti ni asese ni din and your friend say mechanic. Zana prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no. Baby a me hwe bia ma change afro and ma ba too much GH. Hwe na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe.
GH and my chef for when you go to Mushe, Munya Banana, Ama, or Wuseni. Nadana Dano, Filla, Bano, and one of the boss to pay, Edema Mosana Monso, Embe updated, smart I say, Sana, and then so Yabecono. Na, say, no social media no, or higher shit, a manner sweet, Debbie at a sedano, the Rihanna, a cook boom boom boom, a bonfire and casa. Na, Ninia Esha, say, Sister Debbie. The former girlfriend of Medical and a medical birthday or wishing a happy birthday now or Saturday sweet X so now what this sweet X no call feather on kobo on my sweet S now you say fella makafi crown you when hinty just say bustu no man moral so no so hit studios and man ko release over there's over no hit track or sound no abon you no sasa how to say girl in your break or canning some straightforward a chair a yeniku no ex girlfriend no na eno auntie ankoda lockdown no kosunya say na other people train you omo ho just say omo go serious training e the deep release aba na no na yes sister fia e be release WMT wo kire mu say wo maame no de so no ano na we release you no to be say we say punchline say what rap song no ma this song no release you to be say comma nipa chichu to be yete fi odo de wom yete sister Debbie de ewom yete Wendy Shade de ewom ebiem yete polo ekwapim polo so de ewom na release this track WMT ni wie no na me show pass Stefia no expect say Ghana for ye be ginyum no atu yakoma so tese na ya hype no na tese aye trend a chat tese na de bia be obefe bia no ginidin new skill about obi auto high life agonya rap skill there enye easy science ka Ghana for be budget so na de chie na kwesa e backfirement bi Nkofo shase can name oh Sister Debbie buy was you how can you create this song for your own self say or the song no agasa no biem so no Sister Debbie so we and the people also release videos say wono na wa fani nia bonebo so say a lawyer for all of them if your door Sister Debbie when the show omunia ye din people nkwa wo mo fa wo mo do mo nsem nia e hye tim so on come and no akata so fact no wo say wo be delay with Sister Fia head on na eno enema if Sister Debbie and Sema Sister Fia eka fa no no if people be address no neatly Emma Sister Fia they say won say na we hit na eba na Sister Fia no ha ye hye be ote no o ha ye hye amanata na ato no say explanation or ba social media ebe recording live video explaining and I didn't do it as this song and I didn't mean what it's not supposed to be for who so can say we be bro for so akese e wotu say sister na ni abre o ka nya aseni su aka de nanka ni so ni nya pre aba na eno ena ma another girl bi so no so there e ba na rap song on wa gini di wo rap mu MTN4 hit maker show here o mu ye wajini do wom as the best rapper to say oji cry every ni crown that year no ebe ye Fida Rhymes nto no wini MTN hit maker eta additional na owom na ono so hu ni say Sister Efia say na we fini line mu as high life musician na wodi rap song no akwesa attention seeking bi no pa yo so be pre crown e wo bibia ye ono Sister the Fida Rhymes mu masem na mekan wo be pre the bia e wo Fida Rhymes no ne rem mu and to no say as be o jana obi ya pre abemu nto say aye shake bi to no so be mu to say ono so this song by na this song ni mu e no address say Sister Fia as an emotional singer say one po e no release this song na obi mu so saba out be explain cry su count nti ono so e be che na je Fida Rhymes den nyum na and this song the reply to Sister Fia o de be to dwan ye tie bi ehun say na ekono na nkofo bi no way di nya say Sister Fia dey rap and Fida Rhymes is the right respond here na you can people do na e kasa Sister Debbie dey no so na e kasa nti rap ni mu a and another rap queen so about out to say hey munye di na mu ba da pen kwala nkete mo be mu kasa die na mo kan asem be ku na mo da to na mo kasa de ati say mu kasa hare na nyemu de mu ntu mu bo ase impenifo wo ho na the make no asem eye eno baroni so ade about out to say hey wana na mo kasa na nkwala mu kama ntum bosses de wo ho boss chicks na omo de omo ye kasahari to say we to say omo di kasahari to say gari omo se bu omo ni sa keke no mo banda be na mo be to say mo di kasahari be than than mo ho enu nti ono so e release this ama eye Fida Rhymes na yentie tin as eno baroni sister Fia stirred the rap soup to find proper beef to chew but all she got was relay enu nti utu say we direct shade to Wendy see Wendy shade Wendy shade or being then you go the straight direct shade to Fida Rhymes and also edit this track other counter sister Efia ne this track the BMT or release you know say and there to kwano enya ye fight ndo kwano enya we could do fight sister Efia or sha say do say you go no dia say there will be a ground floor and go for one mo so about me me killer o me killers me kan say Fida Rhymes kele beat eno bra no so ye the beat man was say no esi an ntoko na eni ada ne ti se fia ebe ya sakura classroom na ofi eba de WMT ni ba ye no ko ra wo biem na bo mo charges ye sure exams na pass say qualify once and a jolly say rap a drop in a war jolly never out never can same because this no be and maybe do no and your small levels be when you grow and you train and you say maybe so na she be you see and when you be a ground floor and go for na ba out in penifo no these chicks no or ba out some counter and you see prepare homework here now so ba out never eye den be display ni hu de ebeko because beef no there say na any over only e kan no wo ba say wo be nu nkwan beef soup no abenum na wo pe beef are we nya bi anwe wele na ukoyi no so ye wele no so wording or ye strong wele nti e be ya wo so empower ho na nya wo de obetim de are wele no say na obetim face the real beef na enoban run e patch so wo ye no na be face no because say anon tokwa no adane kra na ni mu no ye nche instem ne eye sister Fia o rest na wo explain na utubu say na o test what is ka o say obi test waters award so ahwe say na be awie na ne nsem o select ye no eno na ya asamama no assistant ni ho akire ni na eno baron ya yenim no so nim say oh yes chic like a ban rapper beat our kele Fida Rhymes so kill beat and this is here oh they will try you until ben den na yenim say ma tokwa de nsem wom sakode ni shatwale eye beef womo kansem etro mo direct but ebiam bada say we ko reveal we secret say we adaka mu ansem bi oni we ada di bubo ni an ebiam pie mu sa ada nanso ma jai ma som mo ko de wo ye unkwala brem cramp obetu asia ko yaba no a chiro so wono oyo ba asenti ma to ko we de otu say ebe de pa ebe so revealing in some of the piaba no timi make my tema so my ready for anything that will come out of this beef. So and better wo so a wo share onye ready for every update from this story because there are beefy and they say no baroni abeka san kwan na eden attract we di echire so aye be serve e wa ha say hot and not to subscribe and name ya bell no so na bra notification no e be ba wo phone so na obi say update bi e na apie efa eye we nsem we na say video we hu na also wetimi a share de e course so e we chire na bi so share no obi a enya we say no e de kwa no aye ground floor ye biem sister Fia na frey wa frey game Fida Rhymes asom ekapim polo me sure say na start ya work kata ebre o very nyama yeah abortion ne apiem DJ sister Fia no ma have ya fair te say nsema e ba na fela makafi ni kunu ate so de na ate ne ho so ate say onim say the one and only husband any medical ekapim polo so allergy say sister Fia e bo eche no ehun sem be de jai be say me sure pass investigation be right nsem we mu o hear pictures cry eba outer sister Fia share medical moto matter say nufu ben ne boso na we fela makafi why small girl 10 chat me say nsem e wo to me ase na ne nia mu no aye ma to kwan kwa de ewepie ama yehu eni so and to stay tuned e wo too much GA only say me o just lady just ne ban kwa de a wo so ubenya bi e wo wabobo ano na na me kai o say Ghana for atro adwen efa enobaro ni commenter wo beja e wo ne Instagram page a eye tese wo frefre this no wo ka ejegu this no no na yenhye Ghana for bi adwen chira wo mo de abetudwa e wo ha say we efri Sandy or say agonimu ayete things are about to happen and also enemy ya dream or say agonimu ayete nyama ebesisi ampa we su efri I dan or say well these girls are making a whole lot of noise all over social media. What at all is this beef? The people who are even directly affected by the beef are not speaking. Who has hired these people to make a mess of themselves? Asemo no so bisa say na de we kra mpo no wo mo ye bo mu din a wo mo nsem kra ye antesa no wo hye kra ewo eye beef assistant fia e hye ase de ba ye WMT enwum no kra mpo no wo mo hye da enye hu dede bia wo hye da mekasa na owo mo so nam nchen nam nchen de say wo mu didi beef we hu no kra den kra e no mo pa che we mu ni attention seekers wo mepe bi edifo ne ebi nche be ya wo mo twin san kra mo pe mo baby tra because obia enka omo asem eye. Wait to if it burns or say, a man talk things will surely come out for us all to know. And also I say a man talk and so the nyama ebe pi ama yeso yatibi. Me fact the attractor free Jeremy or say these girls their beefing is funny. The way girls beef is so fast different from the way boys beef because girls beefing is out of true hatred and jealousy. Also actually Jeremy as some account to say no quite but say mema beef no a different cry from a ma beef and mema a beef you say are growing so we are there mesa akabum dachi but a ma beef dear wo maka so mu ye beef nko na to kwa be pi obi fu man sem e pie nko de san yanko fa be bom ntem say that ku be hu say sisters here any ekwapim polo wo muti chicken ba ko wo repa de enye possible biem so ma kan won sem say ba de e ma beef sa na tenti we de e den ara otan any jealousy de e bi wo mu pa seriously na ni niemu no comment no aha e na me de besi wo de so wo tim e fa insem we nya no e hu hia me ti fatodwa I want too much GH comment section. Na share so like video e hu hia me pa. Me di edit na ama owusu a aha na me baba me kwan. Ama me di dwuma